Hello my dear students, in today's lesson we are going to talk about the degrees of adjectives. Yes, the same is the comparative and the superlative adjectives. Let's start with the plan. The first one, the rules of using comparative and superlative adjectives, the grammar exercises and the questions, and the last one, the reference. The aims of the lesson is the first one, to develop grammar, reading, speaking, and writing skills. The second one, to enlarge students' vocabulary, cognitive, and creative abilities. Comparative adjectives. We use the comparative to compare two people, places, or things. For example, the first one, the small one is this is back, yes, the small one, and the smaller than the first one is the second one is the smaller than the first one. So you can see from the picture. So let's continue. How do we build short adjective plus er? For example, old, older, young, younger. Yes, C with C plus er. The final consonant is doubled. Big, bigger. Hot, hotter. We'll add to the consonant. Yes, bigger, hotter, hotter. Double T, double G. Short adjectives ended in y, ear. Easy, easier. Heavy, heavier. Yeah. Long adjectives more plus long adjective. Exciting, more exciting. Beautiful, more beautiful. Irregular adjectives good, better, bad, worse, far, further. Okay. With the than as the comparative from the adjectives. John is taller than Mary. Yeah? A Ferrari is more expensive than a Fiat. John is taller than Mary. A Ferrari is more expensive than a Fiat. Old. I'm 70. I'm 75. Older. Yes. Young, younger. The woman is old. The man is older than the woman. The woman is old, but she is younger than the man. So you use than, the word than, and the eg. Yeah, er, young, younger, small, smaller. The woman is old, but she is younger than the man. Big, bigger, small, small. The polar bear is big. The elephant is bigger than the polar bear. The polar bear is big, but is smaller than the elephant. The polar bear, yes, is big, but the elephant is bigger than the polar bear. The polar bear is big, but is smaller than the elephant. Especially in the comparative adjectives, we'll add than, yes. Then tasty, tastier. Yogurt is tasty, but its ice cream is tastier than the yogurt. Yeah? Yogurt is tasty, but ice cream is tastier than yogurt. Okay. Let's complete the following sentence. Use the comparative form of the adjectives in brackets. For example, in the picture you'll see the tiny and the sky. Yeah? The first one, tiny, is taller than sky. Taller than sky. Taller. Sky is better at basketball than tiny. Tiny is faster than sky. Sky is more popular than tiny. We add more because this is compound word. Popular. It's not simple words, it's compound words. So that's why we add the popular more. Sky's feet are big than Tiny's feet. Sky's feet are bigger than Tiny's feet. Let's complete the following sentence. Use the comparative form of the adjectives in brackets. Tiny is taller than Sky. Sky is better at basketball than Tiny. Tiny is faster than Sky. Sky is more popular than tiny. Yeah? Sky's feet are bigger, double G, yeah, bigger than tiny's feet. More popular. So let's check. Yes, let's check. Taller, better, the faster one, then more popular, bigger. So, what about the superlative adjectives? With the superlative to compare more than two people, places, or things. Big, bigger, the biggest. In this feature, you can see the biggest form of the big, biggest, the biggest. Yeah, the short one is the biggest one in this picture. So the biggest, the superlative adjective will be. How do we build short adjective? Plus EEEST. Old, the oldest, yes. Young, the youngest. The final consonant is doublet. Big, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Hottest, hot, the biggest. Hot, the hottest. Short adjective and in Y, east, easy, the easiest. Heavy, the heaviest. Long adjective, the most plus long adjective. Exciting, the most exciting. Beautiful, the most beautiful. Irregular adjectives, good, the best. Bad, the worst. With the before the superlative form of the adjective. John is the tallest. A Ferrari is the most expensive car. A Ferrari is the most expensive car. Superlative adjective. Also the old, older, the oldest. Yes. Big Ben is old. Okay. The tower is older than Big Ben. The tower. Here's the second picture. The pyramids are older than the tower. The pyramids are the oldest. So, have you got me? Big Ben is the old. Yes. The tower is older than Big Ben. The pyramids also are older than the tower. The first one is the simple adjectives. The second one and the third one is the comparative adjectives. And the last one is the superlative adjective. Okay. All, joy, and eat. Let's complete the following sentence. Use the superlative forms of the adjectives in bracket. All is short, eat is thin, all is wearing, all is wearing. Okay, all is wearing colorful clothes, and eat is tall, joy is smart. All is the shortest. All is the shortest. Yeah, it is a thin. It is a thinnest. All is wearing colorful clothes. Colorful, the most colorful clothes. All. It is the tallest. Joy is the smartest. Let's check. All is the shortest. It is the thinnest. Double N. Yes. Because consonant, vowel, and the consonant also. Which one will be? Here you can see the consonant is double. Yeah, C, vowel, and the consonant. So let's continue our lesson. All is the shortest. Ed is the thinnest. Double Z, yes. Consonant, vowel, and the consonant. After consonant, we'll add the N. All is wearing the most colorful clothes. Ed is the tallest, double L will be. Joy is the smartest. Let's fill in the correct form of the words in brackets and the comparative or superlative. My house is bigger than yours. Will be comparative because the double G will be at is bigger than yours. This flower is more beautiful than that one. Then, this is the best book I have ever read. This is the best, yes? Non-smokers usually live longer than non-smokers. Non-smokers usually live longer than smokers. Which is a dangerous animal in the world? Which is the most dangerous? Which is the most dangerous animal in the world? A holiday by the sea is better than a holiday in the mountains. It is strange, but often a Coke is expensive than a beer. Expensive, it is not so simple a word, so that while you use the more is more expensive than a beer. Who is the richest woman on earth? The weather this summer is even bad than the last summer. He was the intelligent thief of all. He was the intelligent thief of all. He was the most intelligent thief of all. Yes. Let's practice. Use the words given to compare the following pictures. Fruit, freeze, chocolate. Healthy, expensive, sweet, tasty, fattening. Fruit is healthy than chocolate and the price. Chocolate and the fruits expensive will be expensive than the price and the chocolate. Let's use sweet. Chocolate will be sweet than the fries. Tasty. Chocolate and the fries will be tasty than the fruit. Yeah. Fattening. Chocolate will fattening the fries. What about the bike and the jeep and the electric car? Yes, let's talk about the bike. The bike is cheaper than the electric car. Yes, also from the jeep also. What about the slope? The bike is the bike and also jeep will be slower than the electric car. Bike will be small than the electric car and the jeep also. Electric car will be small. Electric car is small than jeep, for example. Eco-friendly. Its electric car will be than jeep. Eco-friendly. The jeep will be eco-friendly than the electric car and the bike. Comfortable. Electric car and the jeep will be comfortable than the bike. More comfortable, more eco-friendly, more contaminant. Electric car more contaminant than jeep. And this also we are talking about the bike. So, my dear students, at home we must answer the following questions. When do we use the comparative and the superlative adjectives? How do we form comparative and the superlative adjectives? Let's describe your favorite actor using comparative adjectives. This is the first one. The last one, describe your groupmate using superlative adjectives. Yes? When do you use comparative and superlative adjectives? How do you form comparative and superlative adjectives? Let's describe your favorite actor using, comparative adjectives. So, my dear students, at home you'll use the references, the given references 1, 2, and 3. Learning English, British Council, Learning English Online.com, Grammar.com. Also, we will use the references at home and we will answer to the given questions. So, write down all the examples, write down all the grammar rules on a notebook. So, then thoughts talk about.